I am at the Modern Garden at the Rogerson Clematis Garden with Linda Butler. And Linda, this is a newer addition to the garden here.
Right. These are almost all large flowered hybrids and Clematis viticella hybrids. So spring into summer through summer flowering. And this one in particular is very, very early. We just love this one. This is Will Barron. Will Barron was the gentleman who founded Clearview Clematis up in Vancouver, BC, which has been taken over by his son-in-law, Fred Wine Sr. Fred is now breeding clematis and named one after his father-in-law. So we're always happy to have Will here to remind us of a great source for clematis up in Canada.
Nice.
Yeah.
And then I see all kinds of strawberry patches underneath. So why all the strawberries?
Feet in the shade, head in the sun.
Oh.
So we are mixing great ground cover, great weed suppression, edibles, so people that come and visit can nosh as they're wandering along. Some of them are ever-bearing, some of them are June-bearing, so we sort of run the gamut. We have 16 rows of clematis here and 16 different strawberries.
Well, it's a cool test garden for strawberries. If you're looking for strawberry ideas, come on out here.
Yeah,
wow.
Right. Yeah, it's not you pick. You don't make jam unless you're going to bring it back for us.
And you know, it's always lovely to come out here. So many beautiful things, but you have an event coming next Saturday. So tell us about that event.
It's the Inviting Vines event. I think this is our 12th or 13th year, where we have private gardens open. Several of them are opening for the very first time.
Fun.
So that'll be fun. Some of them are very clematis-y, and some of them have just a few clematis, but placed for maximum impact.
Wow.
And then we have a breakfast, morning with Morris Horn from Joy Creek, and he's going to talk about his relationship with Brewster Rogerson and how helpful Morris was in getting Japanese clematis into our collection. And then you and William are going to be our victims for the afternoon tea, and we're going to interview you, and so we'll have questions from the audience and I'll sort of sort through them so there's not a lot of redundancy, and you guys can just riff on whatever they ask you.
Wonderful. And those are a fee for those two events.
Right. The tour doesn't sell out, but we do have limited space available for the tea and the breakfast, so you can go to our website and find out if those are sold out. But tour tickets are available. Even you can come here the day of.
Oh, that is great.
And buy tickets when you arrive here.
You know, William and I are so excited to be here. It's going to be great with all these clematis people, and then also the tour. You're just going to be unbelievably awed about all the different gardens that are chosen to be on the tour this year. So please go to gardentime.tv. You could click over to the website and find out all the information and get your ticket to come out next Saturday and have an enjoyable day. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.